Greetings to all. Good evening to all of you. But your question is positions of adjectives. Positions of adjectives. But before knowing positions of adjectives, you must be very clear what the adjective is. Adjective is a word which describes the noun's quality. So stereotypically, you will come to know this. What's adjective? What's the function of adjective? You must know that. Adjective is placed before a noun and describing the quality of noun, the status of noun. Maybe tall boy, beautiful girl. So beautiful is adjective, the tall is adjective here. It's ugly matter. Ugly is adjective. You know very well that. But your question is here, positions, right? Positions means there are three positions. Adjectives can be functioning for three positions in English language, in English grammar. Position one is attributive, attributive. The another one is a predicate position. You know very well that. The third one is post-positive position. That's all. Attributive, next predicative or predicate position. It's enough. Another one post-positive. Attributive position is if your adjective is placed before a noun and your adjective is describing the quality of noun, that position of adjective is called attributive. Regularly you are making some sentences, A tall boy, beautiful girl, I told. Tall is attributive position. Beautiful girl, I told you that. Beautiful is attributive position because it is placed before a noun. Likely all adjectives are placed before nouns. That is attributive. Predicative position or predicate position. Second one. The adjective is placed, it isn't sitting, the adjective is not sitting before a noun. After the be form verb may be a predicate section. Predicate section means subjective section and a predicate section. So predicate adjectives would be placed, they would be placing in the predicate section. She is beautiful. This is worst. He is tall or very tall. You can put very tall also. She is very beautiful also, you can make sentence. So the same adjective is placed after be form verb in the predicate section. Your answer is wrong. Your answer is right. This is accurate. Are you confident? Yes, I am confident. I am not confident. Not confidence. Confident. Adjective to be placed. He is very much confident. Here, these words, confident is adjective. It's a predicate adjective. After be form verb. But not only be form verb. Those adjectives will be placed in the predicate section, that's all. He is a tall man. He is a very simple sentence, I am saying. We need not, explain very lengthy and tough sentences. He is a tall man, this is a sentence. Here, tall is attributive because man is there. The man is placed after adjective. The tall is placed before the man. Before the noun. That's an attributive position that is. But at the same time, if you speak, he is tall. It's a right sentence. He is tall. You are not saying he is a tall man. If you are saying he is a tall man, the adjective of the tall is an adjective, that is predicate, attributive. He is tall. He is short. It is wrong. It is worst. She is beautiful. It's ugly. It's smart. It's excellent. He is confident. Any adjective. You can put any adjective there. But it should be placed in predicate. That is predicative position. Third one is post-positive. Post-positive means this is something different. So neither it's placed before noun nor predicate section. But after a noun. But after adjacently to a noun and it is placed. Which one? The post-positive position. Alexander the Great. No, the Great Alexander. Alexander the Great. Kamaraja the Great. Any name. It's not only legends. If you mean any one legends, you can put that. Not only the great. Any other adjective, any your desired adjectives can be placed in there. But after a noun. But a familiar sentence is Alexander the Great ruled his nation so honestly, bravely. Alexander the Great ruled his nation so bravely. In this case, you forget about other words, but the great is here adjective, but it is placed after a noun, after the noun. That is post-positive. Also another one, in my point of view, I would tell you, any adjectives, clauses, relative clause, you are putting some adjective clauses, that, but it is placed after a noun. The man who is in blue shirt is my friend. The matter that you are saying is confusing me. The chair which is placed there is not mine. The school which is running in the city is providing very good education. In these cases, the adjective clause is there. The school which is running in the city, that is running in the city, is an adjective clause, relative clause. The man who is in blue shirt is my friend. The who is in blue shirt is an adjective. But it's being as a clause, that's why adjective clause. But the position of the adjective is a post-positive, because after the noun it is placed. So conclusively, just now I would like to tell you, there are three positions. If your adjective is placed before a noun and describing the quality of noun, that is attributive. If your noun is placed in the predicate section, for example, he is tall, it is short, I am confident. But am is a verb here, I is a subject here. Am is a verb here, the confident, it is placed third, that is in the predicate section. But that is adjective, that is not adverb. That's not adverb, that is adjective. In the sentence pattern also, that is complement. That's not adjunct. Okay? So that is predicate. Post-positive means the third one. If your adjective is placed after a noun, Alexander the Great ruled his nation so bravely. It is better your mind, put in your mind that any model sentences for these adjectives. She is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. Girl is noun here. The beautiful is adjective. There is an attributive. She is beautiful. So beautiful is adjective here, that is predicate. The girl who is in beautiful came. The woman who is beautiful has been selected for audition. Maybe your sentence. Any sentence. Because by meaning of beautiful, just I am constructing all sentences similarly. Alexander the Great ruled his nation so bravely. This is enough. I mean, this one sentence is enough to say an example for post positive. That's all. There are three positions: attributive, predicate, post positive. No any other position. Be happy that. If there are 100 positions, what to do then? English grammars may be tough, That's all I'm saying. That. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Three positions. If you have any doubt or queries, just call me to the number. Just otherwise, put your comments. Put your comments in the comment box, and I will explain you more. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We Mahendiran. Mahendiran from the domain Mahendiran Global English. That's mine. Thank you.